Here's our fourth example for multiplying a binomial by a binomial. Um, I've hid something in the classroom. If this is 2014, and I will be giving clues as to where I've hidden this and what I've hidden this on the videos coming up. Anyway, on to the math problem. First, you're going to make a box, like we've done before. There are 4 columns, 4 boxes in the box because there are 4 terms. My x minus 6 will go vertically, and my x plus 8 will go horizontally. All right. Next thing what I'll do is I will fill all the columns. So I'm going to fill this with x's, this with negative 6's, then I'll fill this with x's, and this with positive 8's. All right. X's will go across, negative 6's will go across. Then for going for the vertical, for the x plus 8, I'll put my x down here, my other x, my plus 8 in this column, and my plus 8 in this column. All right, so what I've done is just fill my boxes up. Next step is to do the multiplication. X times x, my first term, is x squared because there's 2 of them. Second term, negative 6 times x, is negative 6x. Third term is 8 times x, that's positive 8x. And the last term, negative 6 times 8, is negative 48. With these two, like with this one here, 8 times x, if you don't know, they're different terms, so you really can't multiply them, so you just stick them together. That's sort of an easy one to do. All right. Third and last step is you're going to combine your like terms by making columns. And in your columns, there are 3 different things. There are x squareds, there are x's, and there are numbers. If you look at what you have, that's an x squared. So I'm going to write down 1x squared. This is a negative 6x. This is a positive 6x. Positive 8x, and a minus 48. Last step is just to combine all your terms that you have. My final answer is x squared, or 1x squared. Negative 6 plus 8 is 2x. And there's nothing with the negative 48. So that's going to be your final answer. All right, so that's how that's example number 4.